Hi, good morning. Today I am going to explain about Zoom app. So nowadays, many of the teachers and students are using Zoom apps for their online classes. So now I am going to explain how to use that Zoom app. First of all, go to Play Store and type Zoom in the search bar. Okay. So you will get Zoom Cloud Meeting like that. So click install. Okay, now click this open symbol. If you are having a Gmail account, click sign in, or else you have to click this sign up account. So I am having a Gmail account, so I am using this sign in option. So here I am going to choose Google. So here I am going to select one of my mail ID. Now click launch Zoom, redirected into Zoom account. So in order to join in any class, click this join symbol and enter the meeting ID. After entering the meeting ID at here, click join meeting, or else if you want to organize a meeting means, please come back and click new meeting. Okay, here you have to click start your meeting. You have to give permission for audio recording and video recording. It will record. So here you can see this is the audio button and this is the video button. So if you click it means the video will turns off. If you click here means the audio will turns off. So in order to deliver your speech to the audience, you have to unmute here. In order to show your image or show your video to student means you have to click here. So in order to add the participants, click participants. So here this is the place you can invite your participants, that means students. So click invite. So here there are so many ways to invite the students. So I am using Google. Why? Because I am having the mail IDs. So here please enter the mail ID of the person whom you have to invite. So I am entering my another mail ID here and I am sending this message to that person. Okay, so that person will get the invitation message in his Gmail. By clicking that invitation, he can join into the group. So that's all about Zoom account. Thank you for hearing. Bye.